Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Amazfit GTS 4 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Together with the Amazfit GTR 4 and GTS 4 mini smartwatches, Xiaomi has introduced a third model, GTS 4. It has the largest screen of the whole trio, with a diagonal of 1.75 inches. True, this is not the most outstanding autonomy. The watch received a battery with a capacity of only 300 mAh, on a full charge of which they can work up to 7 days. Aside from differences in shape and size, the content of the GTS 4 is the same as the GTR 4. There are 150 training modes with automatic detection of the 8 most popular. The latest and more accurate BioTracker 4.0 ppg optical sensor, built-in speaker and microphone, due to which you can answer calls received on a smartphone paired via Bluetooth. There is a GPS receiver, heart rate, SPO2 and stress detection is supported 24/7, sleep monitoring has been improved. Amazfit GTS 4 dimensions are 42.7 by 36.5 by 9.9 mm, weight is 27 grams. The body of the device is made of aluminum alloy. Sales in Europe will start from Germany and Poland, from September 2nd, a little later the novelty will appear in France, Italy, Spain and the UK. The price is €200. This concludes the review. Bye bye.